Hello my friends, welcome to Sheshan NB. Today I am going to show you how to connect mobile data to a computer using Wi-Fi. Let's go to the video. Go to the notification panel and turn on mobile data. Then go to hotspot settings. There are two ways to go to the hotspot settings. The first method, touch and hold the hotspot icon on the notification panel. The second method is to find it in the settings. Let me tell you where it is in the settings. Go to Settings. Then go to Wireless and Networks Settings. Now go to Tethering and Portable Hotspot Settings. Finally, go to Portable Wi-Fi Hotspot Settings. Now turn on Hotspot. Then touch on Configure Hotspot. Some phones do not have this. Instead, it says Set up Hotspot. On some other phones, there is a name and password just below the button to turn on the hotspot. However, you need to find your hotspot name and password. You need to click on the icon to see the password. But some phones have a box called Show Password. So, tick the box and you can see your password. Remember your hotspot name and password. Now go to the computer. Click on the notification panel icon. Now expand it and click on the network. Turn on Wi-Fi. Find your hotspot and click on it. Then click on Connect. Type the hotspot password and click on Next. Click on Yes. It's connected. Now you can use your mobile data on your computer. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching my videos. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up. Check out our other videos and subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell to stay up to date with the latest on Windows 10 and other tech related stuff here on Sheshan NB.